Hi and welcome to today's lesson. This is the final part of a series which I have been recording, which is called Little Words, Big Trouble. It's all about prepositions and it's focusing on why these little words are really important. Okay, so the first lesson we were looking at in, last lesson at, and today we're going to be focusing on the word on. Okay. The first way we use it is quite straightforward, so you probably are already aware of this, but it would be talking about surface contact. So for example, the pen is on the table, the plant is on the shelf. Easy. Surface contact, something is on something. Okay. The second way we use it is really as an adverb. It's looking at how we would secure something. So if I have a tin of paint, I want to make sure that the lid is on the paint because I don't want an accident. If I have a pot of jam, I want to make sure that the lid is on the jam so that it stays fresh. Okay, so that's another way we would use it. There's two ways. The third way is about close proximity. What do I mean by this? Well, you may have heard the expression, I'm on to you. Or somebody might say, oh, they're always on my case. What do they mean? They mean that somebody is hot on their heels. This is an idiom, hot on their heels. It's the back of the foot. It's the idea that somebody is really close to you. If the police are on to you, let's hope not, but if they were, they would be watching you and looking at what you're doing and following you probably. So the idea is that somebody is on to you, they're on your case. It's another way that we use it. The fourth way we use it, we were talking about location, how we use at and in with location. And it can be a little bit confusing. But remember that at is alongside something, like beside the beach, at the beach. In is surrounded by something. When do we use on? Well, I've had students get a little bit confused with this. So on is used when we are, again, talking about a surface. So I would be on a train. Yes, I'm in a train. Why am I on it? Because it's a surface and I am travelling on it. I'm on board. The same would be true for a plane. A plane is in the air, but I would be on a plane. I'm on board. And of course a ship is on the water. Okay. But say for example that I need to find my way to somebody's house I don't know, and they give me directions, and I might ask them, are you on the left or are you on the right? Which one's your house? Which side of the road are you on? Are you on the west side or the east side? So I would be asking them, which side are they on? Okay, so we would be talking about a location here. We use on. All right, so that's another way that we can use it. It's also used like independent prepositions. So dependent prepositions are where we need a word and we use the preposition and they have to go together or they don't always make a lot of sense. So a classic example of this would be rely on. You can rely on me. It means I'm trustworthy. Okay. You can depend on me is very similar, has a similar meaning. You can lean on me. And actually, these are phrases and words you will hear a lot in songs. You hear these phrases, lean on me, depend on me, rely on me. So they are expressions where we use on to indicate the way we feel or the way we would evaluate somebody, for example. The other way we can use it is when we are talking about possessions. So if I have lots of money on me, that means I am carrying lots of money. I have money in my purse. On my person, you might hear that phrase said as well. If I am being a bit naughty, I might have a weapon on me, which I don't. But if I did, I would have a weapon on me, on my person. Okay, so that's another way we would use it as well, like a possessive. So some ways to use on today. This completes this short series of grammar prepositions, and next time I will be talking about health and illness in English. Useful phrases and words to talk about health and illness. So I hope you can join me for that, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.